to tear gas shelling this afternoon to disperse volunteers from the JFD students' wing who attempted to lock down the office of the Directorate of Census Operations at Borompat. The confrontation occurred when the student volunteers tried to storm the complex. However, they were unable to enter the premises as a Manipur police team deployed at the site in advance stopped them and locked the main gate. JFD Students' Wing volunteers then sat in front of the gate to stage a protest, demanding that no orders regarding census operations be issued. The situation escalated when the protesters began shouting slogans such as "No NRC, no census" and "No IDP settlement, no census," prompting security forces to fire several rounds of tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. 3 students sustained injuries during the police action and were rushed to Kripa Darshini Hospital at Palace Compound for treatment. Speaking to reporters, JFD Students' Wing convener Naurem Wangamba contended that the prevailing situation, where thousands of people continue to live in relief camps, is not conducive to conduct a census. He decried the government's insistence on moving forward with the census despite stiff public opposition. Wangamba further urged all political parties and legislators to pass a unanimous resolution to defer the census and collectively press the central government to honor the decision. He warned that the government would be held accountable for any untoward incidents moving forward.
Protest protest police ki oiba kyama latana hairiba mungnaraba matong yamna cooperation akoi da pibi ki tawudabo matam khara leiraba matungda hairi Imphal East ki police DSP jira sina changjala ba matungda mana mahirui singa uloidaba yamna tamkiba mongda ngasi media singda ju circulate tawbi bagi leibiramani koi nupi singda mana khongbanda indagi bagi loina ubiramani amadi Mahirui singda aso open kyama tear gas bomna singba moi langjanduna mahirui lei khangna langjanduna aso open kyama nangan tiba asi mahirui singi yamna laibak tibani mahirui singbo hak khongauna bani loina hairiba asigumba mahirui singda atamnana halage haibugum target tawriba asigumba nongwai shatpadana tana target tawriba asigumba mioi asina aikoi mahirui kunai amadi leiba miyam ngakani haibase matam punamakta oithoktabani maram maduna hairiba misak asi Manipur ki home department na suspend tawgadabani amadi karigumba 24 hour ki manungda suspend na singba har po chaira pi rabadi mahirui singgi oiba khongjin chamjalakani